to the spiritual and the strong, and those who are meant to understand. Please hear me when I say this. Know your position, okay? Know your position. There's a reason why God is showing you certain things and dealing with you in a certain way that he doesn't show people and deal with certain people, okay? You're faithful. You took a spiritual journey, you inclined high, and you understand certain things. So when people throw stones, you better not flinch. When people talk ill on you, you better not even worry about it, because God heard it. And because you're faithful just like Moses was, the same person, he made a god to the Pharaoh, he's going to pull up and correct it. When he heard his own brothers and sisters downplaying Moses,